Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. We are already discussing about number system. In previous video you learned how to form a greatest and smallest digit number, how to write the successor and predecessor of the number, and I hope you all solved practice time 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then what about in today's class? In today's class we are going to learn about how to round off the numbers. Rounding of the numbers, how to round off the numbers, round off numbers. Then what is this rounding of the numbers? So let us take here one example. 26,724. Round off following number. Round off nearest to tens. Round off the given number to nearest 10. Okay, nearest tens. Then see here, you have to know for this, there is a small trick is there. If you understand that trick, then you can round off the given numbers easily. Then how? See here, let us take the numbers. How are their numbers? See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So here these are the numbers. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we are, see here 26,724 is there. No, we are telling it's a rough calculation. Okay. Rough calculation. Let us take one small example. For example, 42 is there. 42 is there. Here already you know we are discussing about 5 and 6 digit number, but let us start with 2 digit numbers. You come to know very easily, means how to round off the number. So for that you need to know one trick. Okay, here there are 2 trains are there. How many trains are there? 2 trains are there. Train number 1, train number 1. Okay, and one more is train number 2. How many trains are there? 2 trains are there. Train number 1 and train number 2. So in train number 1, what will come? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In train number 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. And in train number 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will come. In train number 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in train number 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then if the number is there in train number 1, there is no need to add 1. There is no need to add 1. And if the number is there in train number 2, means you need to add here 1. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Understood this? There are 2 trains here. In train number 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in train number 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If the number is there in train number 2, means you need to add 1. Yes, this is clear. Then come to this example. Here, see, ones and tens. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there, and you have to round off. You have to round off nearest tens. Okay, you have to round off nearest tens. If you are rounding off nearest tens, means you need to know the ones place. You look at the ones place. I hope you are getting my point. If you are rounding off tens, then you have to see the ones place. See what is there in ones place? Yes, in ones place 2 is there. What is there? 2 is there. Then 2 will come in train number 1 or train number 2? Yes, it will come in train number 1. Then there is no need to add 1 in tens place. So you write 4 as it is, and this 2 becomes 0. I hope you are getting my point. See here, round off nearest tens is there. Nearest tens is there means you need to know ones place. Then you check the number is there in train number 1 or train number 2. If the number is there in train number 1, means there is no need to add 1 in tens place. Write 4 at it is and 0 at it is. Means Here the round off number of 42 is 40. It is a rough calculation of the numbers. Yes, if there is a birthday party is there, you don't know how many people are coming there. You are guessing the number. Yes, it may 84 is there, means it may 100. The people will come only 84. For example, how many trees are there in Chikodi? You don't know. You are telling exact. It may be 1 lakh. It may be 50,000. So we are doing here rough calculation. So here the round off number of 42 is 40. So let us take one more example. I will take here 56. Okay, 56. Here nearest round off nearest tens is there, means you have to see ones place. See what is there in ones place? In ones place what is there? 6 is there. So 6 will come in train number 2. So you need to add 1 in tens place. So here 6 is there. Then you have to add here 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 and its round off 6 is there, means you make it as a 0. So the 56 is there, its round off number is 60. So let us take one more example. I will take here, yes, 71. So just see, the 71 is there in train. 1 is there in train number 1 or train number 2? Yes, it is there in train number 1. So here there is no need to add 1. You write 7 as it is. This 1 becomes 0. I hope you are getting. Next, this is round off nearest to tens. Next, round off nearest to hundreds. Okay, hundreds is there. So 236. 236 is there. Then see here, if nearest tens is there, means you need to see ones place. If nearest hundreds is there, means ones, tens, hundreds. Nearest hundreds is there, means you have to see the tens place. Then just see, the 10 is there in train number 3 is there in train number 1 or train number 2? Yes, it is there in train number 1. Then you have, there is no need to add here 1, 2. This 3 becomes 0, 6 becomes 0. See here, tens is there, means you see ones place. Hundreds is there, means you see what? Tens place. Next, see here, I will take one more example, 489. Okay, so what is there, see here in tens place? In tens place what is there? 8 is there. Okay, so the 8 will come in tray number 2. So you need to add here 1. So write here 4 plus 1 is 5. This becomes 0 and that becomes 0. I hope you understood. Next, here nearest to hundreds, nearest to thousands, nearest to thousands. Okay, then I will take here 4236 ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So here nearest to 1000 place is there, means you have to see the 100 place. See here tens is there, means ones, hundreds is there, means tens, and thousands is there, means 100 place. So see here 2 is there in train number what? 1. Then there is no need to add here 1, right, as it is 4, and this all terms becomes 1000. So 4000. Okay, then I will take one more example, 5896 ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So you have to see here 100 place, 100 place is there in, see 8 is there in tray number 2, then you have to add in 1000 place. 5 plus 1 is 6 and this all terms becomes 0. So 6000. So round off nearest tens. I hope you understood nearest tens, nearest hundreds and nearest thousands. So on this basis, see here I took directly for 4 digit number, 3 digit number, 2 digit number, but here you have a 5 and 6 digit number. See here my practice time 4 is there, page number 89, page number 89, my practice time 4. So the first question is round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Okay, round off the following numbers to the nearest hundreds, round off the following numbers to the nearest thousands. So here 6 examples are there. Among them I will solve here 3 examples. So let us solve my practice time. What? My practice time 4. My practice time 4. My practice time 4. Okay, so I will take here first question I will take here 3 examples. 26,671. I will take one more example. 3,65,929. Okay, I will solve next one more example later. So here nearest tens is there. What is there? Nearest tens. Nearest tens is there. So for time being, you hide this all the numbers. Nearest tens is there means you just see 26,671 is there. But you just see what? Ones and tens is there. Ones and tens. So here if nearest tens is there means 1. 1 will come in tray number 1. Okay, then there is no need to add here 1. Write as it is. Yes, 7 is there means you write 7 and this becomes 0. Okay, 70. So but don't forget to write this remaining digits also. So write here 266. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. For time being you hide this 71. Okay, tens is there means you need to see ones place. So 1 will come in tray number 1. Then there is no need to add here 1. Write 70 and remaining digits also you have to write. Don't forget to write that numbers. Okay. Next here one more is there. So I will write here only. 26,670 is the round off number. Okay. Then here one more example you take. Here 3,65,929 is there. So here I will hide this all the numbers. You just take 29. So ones and tens. 9 is there. 9 is there. 9 will come in tray number 2. So you need to add here 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and this term becomes 0. And remaining digits as it is you write 3,65,930. So this is nearest 10. Okay. Then I will take one more example. And that is 23,679 nearest tens. Nearest tens. So just see, I will hide this number. See here ones and tens. Okay. See here 9 is there in tray number 2. So you need to add here 1. Okay. Then here if you added 1 means it becomes 8. 80. It becomes 80. Then write here 23,680. Clear? Then this is my practice time 1 first question. Next here my practice time 4 is there, no? I will solve here second question and that is nearest to hundreds. So let us take second main first question and that is 13,478. One more I will take and that is 8,92,363. Yes, here nearest what is there? Nearest to hundreds is there. Nearest to 100 means you hide these two numbers and ones, tens, hundreds is there. Hundreds is there means you need to see here tens place. Okay, so see 7 is there in tray number 2. Then you need to add 1 in 100 place. 4 plus 1 is 5 and remaining digits becomes 0. But don't write here only 500. You have to write this also. So 13,500. Okay. Next here take one more example. Hide this ones, tens, hundreds. See here I need to see this tens place. So see what is there in tens place? 6. It will come in tray number 2. Then I need to add 1 in this 3. So write here 400. So 8,92,400 is the round off number. See here tens is there means you see ones place. Round off hundreds is there means you see the tens place. Next few more examples I will take. And that is one more example. 18,566. Again you hide this ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. You see tens place. Okay, 6 is there. 6 is there in tray number 2. So you need to add here 1. So this becomes 600 and you write remaining digits also. 18,600. Okay, next question is there. My practice time for third main, round off nearest to thousands. Nearest thousands you have to round off. So let us take one example. I will take here 3,45,000. 3,45,238. Then you need to hide only these two places. Thousands is there, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, then here thousands is there means you need to see the 100 place. Then see 2 will come in tray number 1 or tray number 2. Yes, it will come in tray number 1. So there is no need to add here 1, right as it is. This 100 place 0, tens place 0, ones place 0, and you write this also. So 3,45,000 is the round off number. Okay, so this is nearest to 1000. Let us take one more example from your my practice time 1, and I will take here 10,945. 10,945. So I will take here directly 1000 place. So you need to see here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So here see what is there in 100 place. 9 is there. So tray number 2 you need to add 1 in 1000 place. 1, this becomes 1, 0, 0, 0, and don't forget to write this. So 11,000 is the nearest round off number of 10,945. See here dear students, I have solved most of the examples from your my practice time 4 page number 89. Solve all the examples and send to my personal number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.